Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, here I am Syadanita Eka Septiana, NPM 20.01.01.0085, Class Management 20B, will present my work on the profile of successful company to fulfill English for business achievement. Here, I take the example of PT Gudang Garam Tbk. PT Gudang Garam Tbk is one of the leading kretek cigarette manufacturer with the largest market share in Indonesia. Gudang Garam produced more than 70 billion cigarettes in 2001 and is now as a producer of high-quality kretek cigarette. Judging from the asset owned, the value of sales, payment of excise stamp, and tax to the government of Indonesia, and the number of employees, PT Gudang Garam Tbk is the largest company in the kretek cigarette industry in Indonesia. PT Gudang Garam Tbk has listed some of its shares on the stock exchange. PT Gudang Garam Tbk struggle to achieve the success it is today began in 1958 on June 26, 1958, Mr. Surya Wonowijoyo started a business to make kretek cigarette with the trademark Gudang Garam, characterized by a home industry that only used simple traditional tools. At the time, the number of workers was only about 50 people and occupied a rented land area of 1,000 square meter, which was located on Jalan Semampir 1, Kediri. The company now owns a 514-hectare tobacco complex in Kediri, East Java. Before establishing the company, at the age of about 20, Chu Jinhui received an offer to work for his uncle at the NV Cap 93 cigarette factory, which was one of the most famous cigarette factories in East Java at the time. Thanks to his hard work and craftsmanship, he was promoted and eventually occupied the position of director in the company. PT Gudang Garam Tbk does not distribute directly but through PT Surya Madistrindo, then to retailers, and then to consumers. Gudang Garam provided employment for around 36,900 people involved in cigarette production, marketing, and distribution. At the end of 2015, the company also has 67 regional representative offices with 282 distribution points throughout Indonesia and a sales fleet of more than 7,000 vehicles, including motorcycle to serve Pasar Gudang Garam has kretek cigarette production facilities in two locations. First, in the city of Kediri, with a population of 249,000 people, which is a regional trading center as well as the location of the company head office. The second production facility is located in Gempol, East Java, which is 15 km from Surabaya. From these two production facilities, the company is able to meet the demand for exciting cigarette products. In addition to cigarette products, the company also has business in other fields, such as the paper industry, palm oil plantation, and air transportation company. Some of these subsidiaries were established to synergize with the distribution of cigarettes, while others were purchased for other purposes. Gudang Garam operates a cigarette packaging printing facility, and in addition, it also has 4 subsidiaries that are already operating commercially, namely 1. PT Surya Pamenang, a manufacturer of paperboard for cigarette packaging. 2. PT Surya Madistrindo, the sole distributor of the company product. 3. PT Surya Air, a non-scheduled flight service provider. 4. PT Graha Surya Media, entertainment service provider. Marketing strategy of cigarette product from PT Gudang Garam, the cigarette producer. PT Gudang Garam Tbk will observe the market first before determining the right strategy to maintain performance amid the sentiment of increasing excise tariff and business challenge due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Director and Corporate Secretary of PT Gudang Garam, Heru Budiman, said that the company does not have a standard strategy benchmark to deal with the sentiment of increasing excise tariff that occur every year. The issue with the Gudang Garam stock code will observe the market first before deciding whether to increase the cost of goods sold or cut production volume. This is done so that financial performance, both top line and bottom line, is not eroded. Currently, the market is experiencing a decline in purchasing power, which also has an impact on the company's sales volume performance. In general, this is considered to be caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and the increase in cigarette excise rates in 2020. This is reflected in the performance of Gudang Garam in the first half of this year, which recorded a decline of 8.88% year-on-year in the overall cigarette sales volume. One the unique feature of PT Gudang Garam Tbk in terms of human resource is a ability to every labor-intensive principle as well as capital-intensive principle together. On the one hand, to produce high-quality cigarette, PT Gudang Garam Tbk is required to use sophisticated machine and equipment that require a lot of capital to procure. But on the other hand, the company also has a great commitment to empowering human resource. This is evidenced by the number of employees of PT Gudang Garam Tbk, which reached more than 41,000 employees spread across various employment sectors. Analysis of application of marketing mix strategy at PT Gudang Garam. Number 1, product. Application of the marketing mix at PT Gudang Garam Tbk Kediri is the first product because the competition is getting tougher, especially cigarette product, so company must be able to maintain the quality of raw material. Through the existing production process, the company strives to make product that are in accordance with the wishes and needs of consumers. PT Gudang Garam Tbk Kediri is a company that produces kretek cigarette with the aim of producing product that can be enjoyed by all level of consumer. Number 2, price. The second application of the marketing mix is the price. In the determining the company price according to production cost, will also adjusting to the price of their competitor product. But in this case, the company is to set an affordable price with good product quality because at this time many companies are issuing product with relative the same quality and quality, such as product produced by the BMW Cigarette Company, Panama Cigarette Company, and the Keraton Cigarette Company, which become a competitor of PT Gudang Garam Tbk Kediri. However, the price offered by PT Gudang Garam Tbk Kediri can be reached by all level of consumer. Number 3, promotion. In implementing the promotion strategy, the company uses the promotional activities through advertising media, distributing pamphlets, brochure, and sticker. The second promotional activity was through personal selling to introduce Gudang Garam International cigarette product directly to consumer. With the use of promotional activities through personal selling, company can be closer to consumer and can directly find out the needs and desires of consumer. The use of both promotional activities in the case in due to fact that these activities can minimize cost and the product being promoted can be right on target. In addition, company can better control consumer need. So the company is achieving the goal to increase sales can be achieved. Number 4, place or distribution panel. Determination of distribution channel by PT Gudang Garam Tbk Kediri uses a short distribution channel, namely sales personnel from the company, which are divided to two cells, namely dropping and canvas, which are in charge of distributing the company product to retailer and wholesaler. Dropping is tasked with distributing product to again, but in cash and credit and so on by again that will be distributed to sub again an outlet of group which will eventually reach consumer. Meanwhile, the sales canvas aim to distribute product directly to outlets or group and finally to consumer. The selection of distribution channel determined by the company can directly minimize costs in the marketing field. In addition, with a short distribution channel, the company can also improve supervision of distributor, both agents, sub-agent, and retailer, so that the availability of product at the distributor level will always be monitored by the company. Application of the marketing mix at PT Gudang Garam Tbk, it can be said that Gudang Garam Tbk Kediri, the product they produce are no less competitive with other kretek cigarette products, both in terms of quality and price offered. This can be seen from the number of requests that continue to increase from year to year, which indirectly increases the amount of production. In addition, the price offered are also affordable for consumer. In terms of promotion and channel, the company takes into account the company expectation to attract consumer from year to year. One strategy that plays an important role is price policy, whereby setting the right price according to the target market, it is hoped that the level of sales of the company product can increase and compete with other similar products. Effort to maintain or even increase sales volume can also be taken by the company by means of promotion. The purpose of promotion is to foster stimulation and image to people toward the product in question. So, many presentation from me. Thank you for your attention. If there is a wrong word, please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.